to start the removal of my lead acids and replacement with my Battleborn Lithium ion 100 amp hour batteries. First, I'm going to remove all the leads going to this cover, and I'm going to get rid of the cover actually. Take good pictures to make sure I know where everything goes back. Hello, train. First potential obstacle are these fit in there. So the answer is no. Two of these will not fit in that container. That came out pretty easy. I got a little bit of a mess in here. The other thing I gotta figure out is how I'm gonna hold these down. I'm just gonna let them bounce around in here. So that's the next thing. This capacitor. Ow!
I'm so sorry.
Jeez, what are you doing? Wow. Them in parallel.
Because they're getting
Yeah, so they're connected directly. Yeah, this is
been a
one.
while since I've.
Yeah, this is one 12-volt battery, and it has. So this is 100 amp hours, and that's 100 amp hours. But since I have them in, so since I have them, yeah, since I have them in parallel, it's just 200 amp hours.
Right.
And the shunt is obviously it's coming off my negative. Sam, what do you think? Does it look better, buddy? Huh? So we did a little maintenance. Everything is hopefully gonna stay in the spot we got it. Zach gave me a hand. I said no, he gave me. my ratchet strap tie down. Probably not. There's what I bolted down the ratchet strap with. Screwed down. Ratchet strap. Anyway, there's a little dip switch right here that from lead acid to lithium ion. Which right there. Right there. It says LI. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It says LI and LA. Well, that dip switch is now at LI with this, which is lithium ion.
Great.
And it was on LA before.
Los Angeles.
Yeah. With lead.
Mom's behind you.
Oh. So here's the latest. Tie down for the batteries. Zach and I got in here and kind of straightened up the wiring situation a little bit. Now, negative was going straight up in the air. We undid it and rerouted. Tie wrapped it down. Power. That's the power cord for the remote Bluetooth unit. Strap that up because that's where my phone reads off of. I'm not going to use that. Not for now anyway. Maybe at some point I'll run it inside the rig, but right now that's where it's staying. I do feel better about how it looks right now. So, gotta get rid of my trash. I'm keeping that box. This is my little LED puck I always use them. Oh! Hold on. We got called away from our technical duties to go look at artistic stuff.
We have a development